It's good.
Hi everyone! Loida here! Welcome to our kusina. Today, we are going to cook deer. But before that, we will go hunting first.
Let's go! Let's go hunting! Yeah! We got him! We got him! Come on, help! Help me! We got him! Yay! We will slaughter him! Let's go!
It's not easy to hunt deer, you know? You know, my dear, it's not easy to hunt deer. So, we'll just make it easy. Someone at work gave me deer meat. It's ground deer and steak. Kevin and Elise went hunting and they gave me some of the meat. So this will be my first time to cook deer. I asked Elise how she cooked her deer meat and she shared me a recipe. So we will follow the recipe today. Are you ready?
Go let's!
Now we have the ingredients. First is the ground deer. Then the cheese for the toppings later. And the whole kernel sweet corn. Black beans. I used 5 roasted diced tomatoes. Tomato sauce. The mild rotel. Chicken stock. Taco seasoning mix. And taco shells. We also have diced onion and garlic. Then we have here the ranch dressing. This should be the mixed one, the powdered one, but I don't have, so I'll just make do of what I have. Now let's start cooking. First is brown the meat and onions together on a skillet. Now as you can see, I put fresh onions in the bottom, but this is just my choice. You don't have to do this. Then put the meat, the ground meat in the onions. So the deer is cooking now. So while waiting, let's have some mango. Hi, the deer is cooked now. So we put it in a taco shell. It's a hard taco. Ah, I dropped it. So here's the deer meat, the combination, and then I put sour cream on top, and there's cheese on the bottom. Let's eat. It's dripping. Ba yan? It's good. I can taste the deer, but you can truly tell it's a deer. It's like, you know, pork or something. It's good. Thank you very much, Alice and Kevin. Thank you very much for the recipe, Alice. It's good. It's good. I'll get some without the taco. I'll be right back. Here, without the taco. Okay. There's the It's good. It's very good. The snowplow drove by. We have snow here today. There's the meat. It's really good. Next time we will try the steak. We will eat this with rice later. I'm gonna cook rice. It's very good. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit like, comment nicely, and subscribe. Bye-bye. God bless you all. Thank you very much, Kevin and Alice, for the meat. Yeah.